In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your payment date on Capital One. Whether you're trying to better align your payment schedule with your payday or simply looking for a more convenient date, this process is quick and straightforward. So let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Capital One account. You can do this either online through a web browser or by using the Capital One mobile app, whichever you find more convenient. Make sure you have your login credentials handy so you can access your account smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select the account for which you wish to change the payment date. This could be either your credit card or checking account. You'll find this option right on your dashboard, which is the main page you land on after logging in. Simply click on or tap the account to proceed. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Account Services and Settings section. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account, including payments, notifications, and more. It's usually found in a menu or a tab, so take a moment to locate it on your screen. After you've reached the Account Services and Settings, look for the Payments section. Within this area, you should see an option labeled Change Payment Due Date. This is the key part of the process, so go ahead and click or tap this option to move forward. Once you're in the Change Payment Due Date section, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen instructions. These prompts will help you select a new due date that better suits your needs. It's important to consider your financial schedule here, perhaps syncing it with your payday to make budgeting easier. Finally, after selecting your preferred due date, you'll need to confirm and submit your request. Make sure to review the changes and ensure everything looks good before finalizing. Once submitted, your new payment schedule will be set and you'll receive confirmation from Capital One. And that's it. Now you know how to change your payment due date on Capital One. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in managing your finances more effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.